lawnmowers are up next. So for this one, it's like a bent over row, only we're gonna alternate which hand is going up. So bend over at that waist. That core is nice and strong, so you're kind of tucking your core in, pulling in those lower abs. You're gonna alternate pulling one arm up and then the other. So we're gonna flip our wrists down at the bottom, roll them up at the top, alternating sides, just like you're starting a lawnmower, squeezing back those shoulder blades. So we're working that upper part of our back. So alternating just like so. Abs stay nice and tight. If you need a rest here, if it hurts that low back, that's where you just want to kind of reset and then bend back over and really work that core.